Hello students, today the second exercise, volumes of combinations of solids. Now you see this solid, it is made by two things, two solids. One is cone and the second is hemisphere. And it is given here that the height of the cone is equal to the radius. So the radius is 1 centimeter, so height is also 1 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of the solid. So you see, volume of solid equals to volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical part. Hemispherical part. Now, what is the volume of conical part? It is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. And the volume of hemispherical part is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we can take 1 upon 3 pi r square common, then it is h plus 2r. Now if you put the value 1 upon 3 pi 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1. So it is 1 upon 3, 1 square is 1 and this part is 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. Answer is pi centimeter cube, and it is told in the sum that you find the answer in terms of pi only. So the answer is pi centimeter cube. I hope this part is clear to you. Now the second problem. In the second problem, you see this solid. It is a model of two cones plus one cylinder. Now it is told here that the total length of the model is 12 centimeter. So from here to here it is 12 centimeter. This length of conical, height of conical part is 2 centimeter and this side it is 2 centimeter. So the length of the cylindrical part will be 8 centimeter and radius is 1.5 centimeter. These data are already given because the diameter is 3 centimeter, so the radius will be 1.5 centimeter. Now you see the volume of the solid. The volume of solid is 2 into volume of conical part plus volume of cylindrical part. You see here, this h stands for the height of the cone and this h stands for the height of the cylinder. Here the model is like this, so we can say the length part. Now from these two, if I take pi r square common, it is 2h by 3 plus capital H. So 22 upon 7. The radius is 1.5. So we can write 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Then 2 into height is 2 upon 3 and this height is 8. Please see this part. Now in the next step, this 2 and 2 cancel. So it is 99 upon 14 into the LCM of this part is 3. So 4 plus 24. So 99 upon 14 into 28 upon 3. It is 33 times and this is 2 times. So answer is 66 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the solid. Here it is better you make the formula like this and do it together only instead of solving it separately. So the volume of this solid is 66 centimeter cube. That is, the volume of the model is this one. Next problem. Now the third problem. It is a figure. It is, I must say, it is a solid and it is a gulab jamun. See, the gulab jamun is generally spherical. But here it is told that it's a cylindrical part and then both the ends are hemispherical. So we have to take this solid in that form only. Here the total length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter, sorry, not mm. 5 centimeter is the length of the gulab jamun. This is 1.4 centimeter, this is 1.4. So this will also be 1.4. So the length of this part will be 2.2 centimeter. That is the length of the cylindrical part is 2.2 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of this one gulab jamun, and there are total 45 gulab jamuns. So we have to multiply it by 45, and in this problem, this gulab jamun contains 30% of the sugar syrup, that is chasni hoti hai, 30%. So we will multiply this by 30 upon 100. That will be our final answer. So first of all, volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun is 2 into volume of hemispherical part. See, this is the maths here. 2 into volume of hemispherical part plus volume of cylindrical part. Now pi r square can be taken common, then it is 4 by 3 r plus h. Now put the data. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. The radius is 1.4 into 1.4, and it is 4 into 1.4 upon 3, and the height is 2.2 upon 1. See this part. This is the main part of the sum. So here it is 22 into, you can cancel it, so 0.2. If you multiply, it is 0.28 into 5.6 upon 3 plus 2.2 upon 1. Please see this part. So here, this is the volume of one gulab jamun. Now, to multiply this by 45, you will get the volume of 45 gulab jamun, and if you calculate 30% of this, then after doing the calculations, this I am leaving for you. This answer will be approximately 338.45 centimeter cube, and approximately we will take 338 centimeter cube. This calculation part I am leaving for you. This is the important step I already told you. Now the remaining is you have to just multiply this. So the final answer will be 338. I hope you can do this calculation. My main objective is to explain you this part, that is 2 into volume of hemispherical part plus volume of, and then this is the 45 gulab jamun and then 30%. So this is the what? This is the volume of sugar syrup, which is the main part of the answer. So we multiply this by 45 and then we calculate the 30% of this one. You see the next problem. Fourth problem is very interesting. There is a wooden block, and on the wooden block there are 4 drills are done, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a pen stand is made. Yes, on the top of that 4 drills are done and a pen stand is made. Now this block is wooden block, so we have to find the volume of the remaining part of the wooden block. It means when you drill and make these grooves, conical grooves, the volume of the wood will decrease. So here the volume of the remaining wood, the volume of wood will be length into breadth into height, that is the volume of the block, minus 4 into volume of one conical groove. So here the length is, you see the dimensions, 15 into 10 into 3.5. That is, these are the dimensions for this. And 4 by 3, 22 upon 7. The radius is 0.5 centimeter. So 1 by 2, and the height is 1.4. That is the height of this part. So if you multiply, it is 525 minus, see the remaining part, if you write upon, then 7 and 2, it will be 14, and this 2 and this 2. And if you cancel it by this, it is 5. So what is the final answer? It is 22 upon 15. So if you simplify this part, it is 525 minus approximately this. So answer is 523.53. That will be the answer of this wooden, the remaining part of the pen stand. Volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of each cone. So I hope this part is clear to you. Please watch the video nicely and see the concepts. Thank you.